Hey there, gentlemen. Welcome back. Let me ask you a simple question, but don't answer it too quickly. How many glasses of plain water have you had today? 1, 3, 8? If you're like most men over 50, you're probably thinking, Doc, I drink plenty of water, I stay hydrated. And that's good, truly. It tells me you care about your health. But here's the uncomfortable truth most men never hear. After 50, plain water alone may be one of the most overrated habits in your entire routine. Yes, water keeps you alive, but it may not be keeping you vital. If you've been feeling sluggish, if your circulation doesn't feel the way it used to, if your energy fades faster than it should, then there's a strong chance your body isn't actually being hydrated in the way it needs. And no, this is not about drinking more water. It's about what your water is missing. Today, I'm going to show you how to turn an ordinary glass of water into a blood flow supporting, energy restoring, circulation enhancing tool using one simple mineral strategy designed specifically for men over 50. By the end of this video, I promise you this. You'll never look at a glass of water the same way again. But before we go further, do me a quick favor. Tap the like button so this message reaches more men who need it. Subscribe if you're new here. I share practical, science-backed men's health guidance every week. And drop a comment below. Where are you watching from? I truly love seeing how global this community is becoming. All right, let's talk about what's really happening inside your body when you drink plain water after 50. Here's the myth I want to gently but clearly break today. If I drink enough water, my body will figure out the rest. That might be true at 25. It's often not true at 55, 65, or 75. As we age, several quiet changes happen in the body. Biologically, your kidneys become less efficient at conserving minerals. Your digestive tract absorbs nutrients more slowly. Your thirst signal weakens. You don't feel dehydrated until you already are. Your cells lose their electrical charge more easily. So what happens? You can drink plenty of water and still be dehydrated at the cellular level. This is what I call being hydrated on paper, but depleted in reality. And when cells are poorly hydrated, blood flow suffers. Your blood vessels stiffen. Your circulation slows. Oxygen delivery drops. Energy production weakens. Emotionally, this shows up as feeling flat instead of energized, losing that edge you used to have, quiet frustration with your body. Practically, it shows up as cold hands and feet, slower recovery, less stamina, weaker blood flow where you notice it most. Here's the key idea I want you to remember. Water doesn't hydrate cells by itself. Minerals do. Minerals are what allow water to enter your cells, stay inside your tissues, carry electrical signals, relax blood vessels. Think of it this way. Your body is an electrical system. Water is the carrier. Minerals are the charge. Without minerals, water just passes through you. And that's why so many men over 50 say, Doc, I drink water all day, but I still feel drained. Now let me tell you why I care so deeply about teaching this. For those of you who are new here, my name is Dr. Jocelyn. I'm a men's health physician, and for the past 5 years, I've worked closely with men over 50 who want to restore circulation, confidence, and vitality naturally and responsibly. And I want to be very clear and transparent. This content is for education only. I'm not diagnosing or prescribing. I'm sharing patterns I've seen consistently in real men. And one pattern comes up again and again. Men come to me saying, I drink water. I eat better than I used to. I try to stay active. Yet they still feel sluggish, stiff, drained, disconnected from their own energy. When we look deeper, the issue is rarely effort. It's usually mineral depletion. Minerals are lost through stress, medications, sweating, aging kidneys, years of processed foods, and when minerals drop, blood flow is one of the first systems to suffer. So today, I want to walk you through the most important mineral strategy you can add to your water after 50 without extreme diets, risky supplements, or complicated routines. Let's count it down. Mineral number 1, magnesium, the blood vessel relaxer. If there's one mineral I wish every man over 50 understood, it's magnesium. Biologically, magnesium tells your muscles and your blood vessels to relax. Calcium contracts. Magnesium relaxes. When magnesium is low, and studies suggest most older men are deficient, arteries stay tense. Blood flow is restricted. Circulation slows. Emotionally, this constant tension keeps your body in a subtle stress state. You feel wired but tired. Practically, You may notice tight muscles, poor circulation, less stamina, slower recovery. Adding magnesium to water helps blood vessels open naturally without forcing anything. Mineral number 2, sodium, the cellular gatekeeper. Now stay with me. This is where many men get confused. I'm not talking about processed salt. I'm talking about natural, unrefined salt. Biologically, sodium helps water enter your cells. Without it, hydration stays superficial. Emotionally, proper sodium gives you steadiness instead of that drained, shaky feeling. Practically, a tiny pinch of mineral-rich salt in water helps you retain hydration instead of flushing it away. Mineral number 3, potassium, the circulation balancer. Potassium works with sodium to regulate blood pressure and vessel flexibility. Biologically, it helps arteries stay responsive, not stiff. Emotionally, balanced minerals reduce that on-edge feeling. Practically, it supports endurance, steadier energy, and smoother circulation. Mineral number 4, zinc, the hormonal guardian. Zinc doesn't just support immunity, it plays a quiet but powerful role in testosterone regulation. Biologically, low zinc can suppress hormone signaling. Emotionally, that can affect drive, confidence, and motivation. Practically, liquid zinc added to water improves absorption, especially after 50. Here's a simple, realistic plan you can actually stick to. Morning, large glass of water. Magnesium, proper form. Tiny pinch of natural salt. Midday, water with a few drops of liquid zinc. Evening, water with a potassium-rich electrolyte, low sugar. That's it. No extremes, no overload, just steady, intelligent hydration. Stick with it for 21 days. That's how long your cells need to recalibrate. Let me slow this down for a moment. If you've been feeling discouraged, if your body hasn't been responding the way it used to, I want you to hear this clearly. You are not broken. You are not failing. You are depleted. And depletion is fixable. Your body still knows how to circulate blood. It still knows how to generate energy. It still wants to work with you, not against you. True vitality after 50 isn't about feeling young. It's about feeling alive, steady, and confident in your own body. So don't let plain water be a missed opportunity. Turn it into a daily ritual of restoration. If this video helped you, please like it. It helps more men find this message. Subscribe for more real-world men's health guidance. And comment below, which mineral are you adding to your water first? I'm Dr. Jocelyn. Stay hydrated, stay strong. And remember, your best years aren't behind you.